wasn't far out of sight, and she and all my friends were there and made me welcome too. But I woke in an old ring that the winds were howling through. Oh, what of that? Oh, what of that? What is there left to say?
She's beautiful. I'm Macca, welcome to the channel. I've been riding motorbikes for over 20 years. I love the thrill, the adventure and the challenges. And what better way to challenge myself than by bringing this DT175 back to life. She's a bit more cleaner than the last time we saw her. Alright, so we've finally dusted off the DT, ready to start work. So the ultimate goal with this bike is to have a nice, classic daily rider I can take to work whenever I don't need to take anything heavy into work when it's nice and sunny outside. I'd also like to do some classic vintage rallies around, whether it be locally or somewhere else in Australia. So first things first, we're going to tear down the whole bike. The engine needs to come out. We're going to pull that apart, fully examine everything, see if it's worth rebuilding, maybe put a high flow carburetor on it or a high flow cylinder head. We're going to tear it down to just a bare frame so we can repaint that. We'll try and source some new plastics, front and rear fenders, and this panel on the side here. We'll redo the fuel tank, redo all the exhaust manifold, and pretty much get this bike looking exactly how it was brand new in 1981 when it rolled out of the Yamaha factory. So the build is already off to an awesome start. Literally the first fastener over here, I put on the wrong size socket and fully snapped the bolt. So now I've got a stuffed socket and a stuffed bolt. Awesome, love this. Now the beauty about these old bikes is that everything's just so nice and simple. We've got this bit of wiring here, don't know what the heck it does, just follow it up all the way out here, kind of splits off but then it keeps going all the way up to Narnia Don't know where that goes, but we'll find out together. Jesus, look at this. Everything's so old. Full Titanic spec. If I'm not careful, James Cameron's going to come after me and he's going to ask me for his props back. Sorry, James. So I've run into something that I'm going to be seeing a lot of on odd projects such as this. Destroyed fasteners and strip threads. There's quite an easy solution for that, which I'm going to show you now. So I've drilled a hole in this little screw here with my trusty little drill, and here I have a screw extractor, or also called an easy out. There's 1001 videos on YouTube of how to use these, but I'm going to do it really quick right now. So after drilling the hole, I'm going to take our screw extractor, place him in like that, and give him a gentle tap with a hammer. Now in a perfect world I'd have a proper wrench to put on this little screw extractor here, but I'm just going to use a wee little shifter. I'm going to put him on, rotate to the left, and there we go. How good's that? Well, that was a bit of fun, wasn't it? Hope you all enjoyed, and catch me next time for a full engine rebuild of the DT175. Let's hope we can actually get it working.